I've just reached one of those milestones in my investment portfolio. Let's just scroll down the page here and show the current value of my portfolio is €305,000. It's passed the €300,000 just in the last couple of weeks, so I thought it'd be worth doing a video. This is serious investing, this is angel investing, a bit like Dragon's Den or Shark Tank, where you get involved very early on in young companies that can go on and become big success stories and potentially make you a lot of money from relatively small investments. It's an investment club, so you don't need to do any stock picking yourself. This is not stock market investing, this is early stage investing in young companies, like I said, that are privately owned, typically 5 to 10 employees initially, but then have the potential to go on to be hundreds of employees, substantially increase in value and make you a lot of money in the process. So I've been doing this for 8 years. My first investment was just €89, which is about £80, around about $90, and that was back in 2015. So if you have patience, and that's what you need when it comes to investing, then you really can see some substantial returns. We still have a few of these companies that have yet to hit and mature into the big time, so this figure could seem like a very small figure in a few more years' time. So yeah, if you're serious about wanting to get decent returns in the legitimate investment environment, do check out my website at copydragons.com and I'll give you all the information there. Thanks for watching.